What if the most important purchase in your entire Barndominium build costs less than a used truck? Right now in 2026, there are 7 specific shell sizes available from established manufacturers that come in under $30,000 for the kit materials. Real steel, real engineering stamps, real Barndominium structures that you can erect, finish, and live in. But here's what nobody tells you alongside that number. The shell is only 20 to 25% of what a finished home costs. Today I'm giving you all 7 sizes, the honest price for each one, and the equally honest picture of what you're still going to spend after the kit arrives on your site. Stay until the end, because shell number 7 delivers the most square footage per dollar of any kit under $30,000 in 2026. Welcome back to Homes and Haven. This channel is dedicated to independent, data-driven analysis for owner builders who want real answers. No sponsorships, no recycled content, just verified research every single week. Hit that subscribe button right now, and let's get into all 7 of these shells. Before we get to the 7 shells, you need to understand exactly what you're buying when you buy a Barndominium kit, because the confusion between shell price and finished home price is the single most common budgeting mistake in the entire Barndominium space. Barndominium kit prices are $20 to $35 per square foot for materials only. The prefab kit includes plans and materials for the exterior walls, roof trusses, metal siding, roofing, and trim. Labor to assemble the kit on-site costs $10 to $15 per square foot additional. A dry-in Barndominium looks like a finished home from the outside, but the inside is empty and ready for finish work. The Barndominium kit is usually only 20 to 25% of your total finish cost. So when we talk about shells under $30,000 today, we're talking about the starting gun, not the finish line. The foundation, spray foam insulation, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, drywall, flooring, kitchen, and bathrooms all come after the kit price. A move-in ready Barndominium runs roughly $65 to $200 per square foot in most U.S. markets in 2026, or about $130,000 to $320,000 for a typical 2,000 square foot home. The bare shell kit is only 15 to 25% of that total. Now you have the honest context. Every shell we're about to cover is the starting point for a finished home that will cost significantly more. That doesn't make the shell price unimportant. It makes choosing the right shell size for your budget and lifestyle one of the most consequential decisions in the entire project. Let's start at the bottom of the range, because these 2 sizes represent the most accessible entry point into Barndominium ownership available in 2026. 2-bedroom Barndominium kits start at $26,500. That starting price applies to the smallest viable residential configurations, typically in the 20 by 30 to 24 by 36 footprint range, delivering roughly 600 to 864 square feet of enclosed space. Shell number 1 is a 20 by 30 foot configuration at 600 square feet. At the current 2026 kit pricing of $20 to $35 per square foot for materials, a 20 by 30 shell sits in the $12,000 to $21,000 range for the kit itself. This is the smallest footprint that most manufacturers will engineer as a residential structure rather than a simple storage building. It's legitimately tight for full-time living, but for a couple, a single owner builder, or someone building a secondary structure on a property with an existing primary residence, this footprint is entirely workable. Shell number 2 is a 24 by 36 foot configuration at 864 square feet. Kit materials for this size run approximately $17,000 to $30,000, depending on manufacturer, gauge, and included features. At the lower end, with a basic red iron system, this comes in cleanly under $30,000. At 24 by 36, a 2-bedroom, 1-bath layout is achievable with an open kitchen and living area. This is the minimum footprint most residential Barndominium floor plan designers recommend for a genuinely comfortable permanent residence. The next 3 shells sit in what builders consistently identify as the sweet spot range for first-time Barndominium owner builders. Large enough to live in comfortably long-term, small enough to keep the kit cost under $30,000. Shell number 3 is a 24 by 40 foot configuration at 960 square feet. This compact rectangular footprint, with its simple single-span roofline and efficient geometry, supports a comfortable 2-bedroom, 1-bath layout with an open kitchen and living area. There are no complex interior load paths, no wasted hallway footage, and because the width stays at 24 feet, the entire structural system is straightforward to erect. At $20 to $30 per square foot, the kit lands at $19,200 to $28,800, keeping it under $30,000 at most manufacturers. Because this plan lacks complex load-bearing internal walls, framing labor is reduced by roughly 20% compared to square footprints, allowing for a shell-to-finish timeline of just 5 to 7 weeks. Shell number 4 is a 30 by 40 foot configuration at 1,200 square feet. For a 2-bedroom barn-style residence, General Steel recommends the 30 by 40 Barndominium kit. That base kit at $20 per square foot comes in at $24,000, well under $30,000. At $25 per square foot, you're at exactly $30,000. Note that the overhang or carport option, often shown in 30 by 40 renderings, is an optional add-on upgrade, not included in the base kit price, and adding it can push the total above $30,000. The 30 by 40 is one of the most popular entry-level barndominium footprints because 1,200 square feet is enough for a comfortable 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with a reasonable open living area. Shell number 5 is a 30 by 45 foot configuration at 1,350 square feet. At $20 per square foot, the kit lands at $27,000. At $22 per square foot, you're at $29,700, still under the threshold. This footprint is the one that most consistently supports a true 3-bedroom, 2-bath layout without feeling compressed, and it does so while keeping the kit cost below $30,000 when sourced from a manufacturer offering competitive pricing in a central U.S. market. These last 2 shells push right to the $30,000 boundary, and in some regional markets may cross it, depending on your gauge selection and manufacturer. But they deliver the most square footage per dollar of anything in this price range. Shell number 6 is a 36 by 40 foot configuration at 1,440 square feet. At $20 per square foot for a basic red iron kit from a competitive manufacturer, this comes in at $28,800. At $21 per square foot, you're at $30,240, technically just over. This is where regional pricing and manufacturer selection matter meaningfully. Buyers in the central U.S. markets where steel kit supply is strongest can source a 36 by 40 shell under $30,000 with careful comparison shopping. Buyers in California, Oregon, Washington, and Colorado face regional premiums of 20 to 60% that push this size well above $30,000 regardless of manufacturer. Shell number 7, the one I told you to stay for, is a 24 by 60 foot narrow lot configuration at 1,440 square feet. The same square footage as Shell 6, but with a dramatically different geometry that changes which sites it works on and how the interior can be laid out. A 24 by 60 custom narrow configuration takes the long, efficient geometry of the shotgun house tradition and applies it to a steel barndominium shell. The long, narrow footprint is structurally simpler than a wider building with a complex roofline, and at 24 feet wide it fits on lots where a 36 or 40 foot wide building cannot. At $20 to $22 per square foot for a bare structural frame, this 1,440 square foot shell lands at $28,800 to $31,680. In most central U.S. markets, a 24 by 60 bare frame shell can be sourced under $30,000 with competitive quotes. Just confirm you're pricing the basic structural frame only at this size, not a cold-form steel package that includes interior framing, windows, and doors, which will price meaningfully higher. Let's be direct about what you're building toward when you purchase one of these shells, because the kit price is only the beginning. Everyone budgets for the kit. What they don't tell you is why 60% of first-time barndominium builders blow their budget. Everything after the steel goes up, including the foundation, spray foam, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, drywall, flooring, and cabinets, costs more than the shell itself. For a 30 by 40 shell at $24,000, here's the honest build-out picture for a mid-range finished home. The concrete slab at $6 to $14 per square foot adds $7,200 to $16,800. Kit assembly labor at $10 to $15 per square foot adds $12,000 to $18,000. Closed-cell spray foam insulation, which is non-negotiable in a metal building, costs approximately $1.50 to $5 per square foot of sprayed surface area, adding roughly $4,000 to $7,000 on a 1,200 square foot build. Metal conducts heat and cold far faster than wood framing. Without proper insulation, your barndominium will be hot in summer, freezing in winter, and prone to condensation that causes rust and mold on your steel panels. Never use fiberglass batts as your primary insulation in a metal barndominium. Electrical, plumbing, and HVAC combined add $25,000 to $45,000. Interior finishes including drywall, flooring, kitchen, and bathrooms add $30,000 to $70,000 depending on finish level. Total for a finished 30 by 40 barndominium starting from a $24,000 shell. Roughly $102,000 to $181,000 all in, not including land, utility connections, or permits. That is the honest finished cost picture for the most popular shell on our list, and it's why the $24,000 kit price is the starting gun, not the budget. The right shell size isn't the biggest one you can squeeze under $30,000. It's the one that matches how you actually intend to live and what your total finish budget can support. A 30 by 40 is really a starter home or weekend cabin. Most families building full-time choose a 40 by 60 or larger to get a comfortable 3-bedroom layout with an open living area. If a 30 by 40 is the right size for your family and lifestyle, great. If you genuinely need 3 bedrooms and the 30 by 40 doesn't support that comfortably, choosing a shell under $30,000 and struggling through an undersized finish is not a win. The decision framework is simple. Determine the minimum bedroom and bathroom count your family realistically needs for the next 10 years. Identify which shell from today's list supports that count without compression. Get 3 actual quotes from manufacturers for that shell in your specific region, because regional pricing varies dramatically. The price difference between different barn contractors can be drastic. Compare prices and find the best deals. Then budget the full finished cost honestly before committing to the shell purchase. The shell is the starting gun. Building a home inside it is the race. Pick the shell that gives you the right track to run on, not just the cheapest one available. Those are the 7 barndominium shell sizes under $30,000 in 2026. What each one actually includes, what it costs at current market pricing, the correct sizing details so your budget doesn't get blindsided, and the honest total picture of what you'll spend to turn that shell into a finished home. If this gave you a clearer starting point for your build planning, Homes and Haven is the channel that delivers this level of independent, honest research every single week. No sponsorships, no recycled content, no hype. Just verified data for owner builders who want real answers. Alike helps more people in the planning phase find this content. Drop a comment and tell me which shell size you're considering and what region you're building in. Every comment gets read, and your situation might become a future video. This has been Homes and Haven. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.